Elmpark Urban Quarter project was one that we got approached directly by a developer consortium, and they had this site which was really on the edge of Dublin City and the sprawl of Dublin suburbia. Dublin has one of the largest sprawl in the world. Actually, I believe they're actually saying that it's worse than some American cities. So what they wanted to do was actually take what was a very beautiful site with its own ecology, very close to the sea, with wonderful views of the mountains, and to come up with something that would be innovative and that would really set a precedent in Ireland in terms of development. It's a mixed-use project. It's got apartments, offices, a hotel, hospital, clinic, community facilities. There's housing for over 100 apartments for independent living for older people. There's a crash, restaurant, a pool and leisure centre, and also conference facilities as well. And the whole scheme was conceived of as bringing together the landscape of the sea and really promoting the sustainable objectives of our client, to have a very low energy building, series of buildings and development that had its own spirit and brought a new urbanism to Ireland. Our office has been in practice since 1996, and we have actually worked on mostly a lot of local government and civic buildings, also offices for private clients as well. So we have always had an agenda of a sustainable specification and of passive design. So we've learned through all the various projects that we worked on before how to maximize that in the Irish climate. Well, principally we used galvanized steel in a lot of the connections between the different elements of the fabric of the building. We have, as part of the fundamental sustainable design of the office blocks, for instance, on the west facades, we have a series of pine, very large 4-story tall timber primary structures, and these are all tied together with connections and also with tension rods, McEvoy rods, which are all galvanized steel and then duplex coated. So there's quite a sophisticated relationship between the timber engineering and the steel engineering that we use within the building to achieve both the structure and the sort of aesthetic of the buildings, which provide both shading and also the enclosure for the functioning of the single glazed double skin atria facade, which ventilates the office blocks. Also, there's Ireland has not got the maybe most well-renowned climate in the world, and we have a series of, it's effectively like a parkland, and we have a series of canopies which are all galvanized steel as well and glazed, which protect people and allow them to use the parkland area in inclement weather.